चिल्ड्रन, आज हम डिटर्मिनेंट का क्वेश्चन करेंगे जिसमें हम प्रॉपर्टीज़ का यूज़ करेंगे। तो इसको हमें डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंड करके नहीं प्रूव करना है, हमको यहाँ प्रॉपर्टीज़ का इस्तेमाल करना है। सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल्स टू दिस। So what's the rule in this method? We have to change this determinant in simplest form. We try to change this determinant into simplest form so that we get maximum zeros either in one row or in one column, so that it gets changed in the simplest form. And to change in simplest form, we use the properties of determinant. Whatever the properties are, we use of those properties. So children, I'm starting from the very first one operation. I'm doing change in R1. I'm adding in R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is my first change. Okay, doing this change, what I'm getting, I'm adding all the three rows in first row. So first entry will be this, second will be this if I add all the three. Similarly, if I add all the three, it will be 5x plus 4. In second row, no change there, as it is. No change. Now again I can see in first row, this entry is exactly common. So in determinant, we can take out common either from one row or from one column. This is one of the property of determinant. So I'm taking out 5x plus 4 common from first row. So what will be remaining inside? 1, 1, 1. Again, no change in second row, no change in third row. Now you see, as we get 1, 1, 1, then easily we can convert this into 0. If I subtract from C1 the C2, then exactly 0 I will get here. So my next operation is, I'm doing this other operation. I'm doing change in column 1 minus column 2. So what are the results there? 1 minus 1, this is giving 0. These two on subtraction. And here again 0, and rest of the two columns as it is, no change there. Now you see the first column, I've got two zeros here, so it is very much simplified. And now I can open this determinant with respect to this first column. I can open the determinant with respect to any row or any column. So here, since this column is maximum simplified, so I am opening this determinant with respect to this column. Okay. So how will I open? First entry, then it's minor. To find out minor, row and column from 0 is cancelled. Whatever remaining, that's coming in minor. Then negative symbol, second entry, and it's minor. Then positive symbol, and it's minor. Now I will simplify this minor. When 0 will get multiplied, then this result will be 0 exactly, and this result will be 0 exactly. Now only significant this will be remaining there. Minus x minus 4, this product minus that product. This is coming on subtraction. I'm getting here, I'm taking this minus inside, this has become this, and I can write this as whole square. So hopefully the right side is coming on solving this. I'm getting right hand side. It means using the properties of determinant, I have proved left hand side equals to right hand side. So in such type of questions, it is must that we have to use some of the properties of determinant to get conclusion of the question, to get the desired result. Hopefully children, this is clear. Next we'll do in next class.